I'm a quantity surveyor from Suma JKT Construction Company. Nziza Global enhanced the training and it was so useful. We got the necessary tools to use PlanSwift software. It's a good software to build bills of quantities.
Nimetokea shirika la nyumba Zanzibar. Nashukuru sana Nziza Global kwa hii training yenu na wahamasisha quantity surveyor. Ukisikia program kama hii
Okay, so I see time is going and our instructor is already here. So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. So my name is Nziza Global. I'm the Communications Associate at Nziza Global. I'll be your moderator for today's session. So before we begin, I just want to thank everyone for taking your time and joining today's session. So whether you're joining us from Rwanda, Tanzania, Zambia, or anywhere else, we are glad that we have you today. So I'll start by telling you a little bit about who we are for the people who don't know Nziza Global at all. So we are an Autodesk authorized academic partner. We operate mostly in Rwanda and Tanzania, and we are also official seller of PlanSwift and Plotter software. So in simple terms, we provide world-class technical training and software solutions to anyone in the AEC industry. That's architects, engineers, and construction professionals. So you can find our information on our website. I'm going to share our website on the screen with you. So if you need to know about us, this is our website. Our contact information is here. For most of the people in Tanzania, this is where they schedule for their planning. This is where we have our curriculums. Even we're having this webinar, but we have a PlanSwift training soon in Tanzania, so you are welcome. We have our courses over here. So everything you need to know about us, you can get it from our website. Today in this session, we have two people who are also from Nziza Global. So we have Niyonguru Josue. He's our technical and sales engineer at Nziza Global. So Josue is available to speak with anyone interested in our licensing or software solutions after today's session. And the person that all of you are here for is our instructor today. His name is Fauste Damuera. He is a qualified quantity surveyor based here in Kigali. Fauste holds a Bachelor of Science degree in quantity surveying from the University of Rwanda and has been a practicing quantity surveyor, a loss adjustment technician, and valuation technician since 2022. Fauste is also a certified PlanSwift professional. He has completed specialized training in the software and now he's serving as a PlanSwift instructor here at Nziza Global. So he's going to take you through this session today. So without further delay, QS Fauste, I think you can proceed. So the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. We shall begin for opening our digital PlanSwift. First of all, the PlanSwift is a digital tool that allows the users perform accurate quantity takeoff, where we can measure the ramps, areas, volumes, and so on from the drawing, and convert it into the bills of quantity and cost estimation. So first, you have to open a new job or new project. Here there's a project code. You can either 2026 for me, and the solution can be the residential, and the name or the solution can just put in order to know your project, because the PlanSwift can save all the project you can perform in it. Let me say Nziza Global. Then this is the local you have saved your work. It's here on local. You can use your cloud. The measurement tips can be metric or any other, but most you use metric. Then you go next. Sorry. Let me just put 261. Okay. It's this one. It's my drawings. The drawing can be in PDF, can be AutoCAD, but the PlanSwift can be changed into the file can read it. That's what you have doing. Then next, you can adjust how you can read. Can be 30 or can be 300 or 300 and then use 100. So use 300. Here I can use true colors in order to get our drawings clearly. Then finishing. Take a few seconds and finishing or converting the drawing. Now it's our drawing is opened, and it opened for all the pages you have it. Here you see the 3D view of our project. Also here we see the roof. Here we'll see the ground plan. In order to help you, you must name it. This is the first page. You can make right-click property, and you can 3D dimension, 3D view. You can say 3D views or 3D dimensions, isometric. This can be this is the roof layout. Can name it roof layout. So come. This is the ground floor. Can name it as ground floor. Sorry. Ground floor. The first floor. First floor. This is the section perspective view. This is also, I think this is the roof. This is not roof, it's a site plan. This is site plan. Let me change site plan. Then let me do this is the roof. Roof. This is the section. The section mention window and doors. To the perspective views, dimension, 2-dimension views. Then the last one, software. The last one, it's this some details. Name it details. So those 4 sections. This can help you to know what can take for the work or the measurement can I take for first or ground site in order to perform your project easy. You may name it so that it can help you in your requirements. So let me first go on the site plan. Site plan. Do you see it's there is a dimension of 2 meters for the fence. Here there is 1.18 meters 6, and you must know if those dimension is in meter or millimeter, but most of the drawings are in millimeter. So if you start without scaling, you can't perform your work. For example, let me show you. It means you can take off the area for site example. You see, this tool requires you to scale the page first. Would you like to set the scale now? Yes. First, you have to scale all the page you have doing the work. This is, for example, let's take 18.65. Can go to scale metric. Have to use metric, or in order to use meters, say 18.65. Okay. Then you have to press the cursor from the starting up to the end. Do you see? This is the starting and the second. So it's the first, for the first in measuring your work, first you have to scale. If you forget it, you can't go further. So let's now take off for site clearance. You can go here for, you can use this tabs for area. Can use it, or you can create the template. If you can use area, can do this. This is the site clearance. Site clearance. Then 20 bin square meter. That's okay. Then you have taken from this box and use boxing for that here, because it's a box. You can use boxing for this verification point, this record mode point to point. You can use box. You start from here. Sorry, from here up to this. This is our area. It means we have 505 square meter. This is the manual everyone can use, but mostly the PlanSwift user, you can use it so that you can produce every dimension. Have every item I have taken off can be have the description and the quantity for quantification. Here we have the quantity only, but the description cannot have it. For example, let me show it. If you go here at estimating group, you see the site clearance. But if you create the template, let me show you for template. You can create template here for area. You can go here, area, then area, to create new area. Here we have advanced. In advanced, we have in this item description. Description, if you make right click for properties, you have description text it in one type of text and it in a group of item. Here on the sample list, we can add description. Description will be the list in the list. We can here we can choose the list. But simple list. This is combined list. You have select the PlanSwift description. It has the BOQ PlanSwift. This many of them you can't have the data of that list, but don't worry, for those who will attend will get it. This is the PlanSwift BOQ. Then you have to activate the ID for the division. Double click for it, it will already appear on the visible column and input. Then here you have to select column motto, wave and show search. Then here you have to pick the description because we need to take the description for the item. Then here we have to copy and paste on additional property set. but you have to remove the description because it is taken, then it's okay. Now we have added the description for our quantification of area. Then also you can set the cost per each, because I have told you that the PlanSwift it can not only be used for quantification but also on estimation. So you have to set the price per unit or price per cost per each. It's the simple formula. I have to pay for the parentheses, I sum, total sum, then what sum, then bracket, price total, then cross the bracket. We have to divide by the quantity in order to get the price per each. So then it's okay. Let's return on our project. Here on estimating group, you see that there is the quantity I've taken before if we don't create the template, but on the cost there is nothing. And the description, let's see the difference for this one you have created. Have to, sorry, let me back. See in our template, we see the let me see. We have to create the new area. New area 2. This is our template. This template can be used, so I think most of you know the choose the template. Also, it's just to click it, site clearance, then here we forget to make the description visible. That's why we don't appear on the platform. Let me also do it. You see, this can be taken, and the site clearance will be on description. We have to select the clearance. Site clearance key. Now I think after finishing you can see the difference for views. Here we have site, but we have the description of the site. This description is clear sight of all arteries, arches, shrubs, shrubs and underground and cutting down trees. This can help you to produce the visual quantity at the end without taping any other description. And also this template can be used also for other, like can use it for takeoff for any other areas, because you have the template. And another for volume. Can you go to the template? Let me go to the template. Template and make area volume. This new area can give us volume. It means you have to also to add description, as I have said before. Add property, list, and PlanSwift. In ID folder, if you run description, hide input, then visible description, and copy it, paste it, and remove of descriptions, okay, and make it visible for layout. Also, we have to add property, which is depth. This depth can be on an estimating group, then it's okay. And remember, choose the unity, and don't forget for formula for cost per each. Sum purchase price total parentheses divided by 2 divided by quantity. And what you have measured, it's cubic meter. The volume can be on cubic meter, and it will be the takeoff as area times depth. That's okay. Then okay. If we back, we can go on our first floor or ground floor for making excavation for 1.0 for topsoil, or 1.5 or 5.5 meter or depth can go on our its area volume. This is not what I need, but you can use it. Sorry, we forget for firstly, as I have said, we have to make scale. First, you have to scale and make the metric. This is let me share the image. Show it's 17.45, 17.5, 17.45 meter. It's metric. It's okay. Then you have come from here up to the end. Have scaled. In our template, we have created this new area, but you see it's only the sub is a sub for new area 2. You have to make your not sub so that you can find it on a template, not as a sub of new item. You see it. This is our volume area volume. Then make it. There is the description. You have to search excavation. Can be excavation of 0.5 deep. Then depth, it is 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter, then it's okay. Remember, we have changed our decode as on a box, but here we have to make sure our area, and for those corners we have to change it to record mode into point by point. Now we can start for measuring our volume. Start here, and at the point you have not seen, you have to when you are taking off, you have to make it clearly for testing or holding aim. It's magnification. If you measuring first, you can back for precising the corners. For example, let me do it first. I can't draw it without precision, but you can do it further after can resizing it. As we have said, it's digital, it's not manual. That's why we can't lose our work we have done. Yes. You see, this you can just make it and you see that it's not precised on it. And on the corner, and if you make it magnification, you have to know that is not indicating at right corner. You have to make it clearly at the corner. It's dirt, and you have 108.4 cubic meters. So let me jump on the concrete in order to make on the estimation very first. I think you understand how to create the template. The area can get the volume, area can line also can get the volume according to the creation of the template. So let me use the template I've created for concrete. Concrete can be also on the area volume, but you can also copy and paste any area of any quantity you have measured if they are the same for volume. I quickly right click and so can just make concrete volume. Concrete. Let me take concrete slab. Then can be suspended or ground concrete. Yes, and the depth, let's see, mostly it's 1.5, it's 100 millimeter, then it's okay. So you have to make point by point. Yeah, are you following? Hello, guys.
Yes,
Yes, we are following.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Ndio.
Yeah. This is starting. You can do it first, but remember to precise the corner. If you don't precise the corner, don't worry. You can do it after taking off. Don't work for any. You don't click at the right corner. Oh, okay. It's not manual. It's digital. I have to do it first, but precision. You have to do it. Don't forget it. You see that is our precision is not clearly. Now can precise the corner. You see? have to precise the corner. Here. That's okay. Let me help you to make the estimation. This is how we can quantify our job or your project, and just you can also use it for example for the count. For the count, let me so use it for count. For example, count for doors. Let me use internal doors. Internal doors. Internal doors. Doors. It's internal. It's like let me select this one. Mahogany timber doors. Then okay. Then you have just click because of. But here we have D1 and D2. Pay attention for the drawings. If there's a door, it's a door. D2, I think that the dimension can be different. So let me start for door 1. This is 1. This is also 1. Have you seen another one? Yes, this 1. I think door 1 it's dropped. That then finish. Okay, you can measure also the door 2 because of the internal door 1 and 2. It's different. Let me see the dimension for doors. Is it different? Doors. Yes, it's different. Like on the window, there's a window 2 and window 1 also on dimension. It's different. Okay. Door 1 it's 8 for 2.1, and the other it's 0.9 up to 2.1. So let me go to estimating. You can go here on that tab of estimating. You see that you have measured the site clearance, you have measured the excavation, have measured the reinforced the concrete. So, for example, for the site clearance, see that there is the quantity, but on the cost per each, there is nothing. It's 0. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay.
Getting you.
We have to apply those our job into the pupil can do that work. Such clients can be done by the laborers, which are skilled or unskilled, can be done by the equipment, the machines, with an operator. Because of the machines or equipment cannot be separate for the operator, you can the cost for operator for the machine or equipment can be included with the operator. So let me use the labor. You can take this template of labor and apply it on the site. It automatically asks me which description. You have to select the solution. I need, because of the site clearance, I need helpers. And you must also, it ask me what is the input and what is output. Input, it means one helper can perform how many square meters per day for site clearance. Here you have to have the productivity list in order to know the estimation, to do that estimation without lying. For example, let me take 20 square meter. Can one helper can do it, then it's okay. Do you see? For the site clearance, automatically we have the cost per each and price total. If we apply also, let me tell you, it means that the helper 26 or 27 helper can do that job per 1 day. For this square meter. Let me go to the reinforcement. No, this is excavation. Excavation, you can use equipment. Can use this equipment, and here can be ask me what the equipment can be used. Which equipment can be used? Can be use excavator and excavator. One excavator can perform 30 cubic meter, for example, per day. Then here also you can get the price per each, and the number of days can be used for that. Not the number of days, to hours for excavating this area for topsoil for 0.5, I think, which we have taken. Let me go to concrete slab. Concrete slab, we have, we need material first. It means we take material for our slab. We need sand, we need cement, we need aggregate for material. So here we have select the cement, and remember which cement we have on our preliminaries, or the details I have taken for the drawings, and out input. I have to know the ratio. Let me show you about here. brought the mixing ratio have given us dirt. Concrete. Cement is 42.5 grade, and the mix ratio is concrete to M225, and ratio is 1:2, cement, sand, and aggregate. I think you seen it. Let me bracket. It means in our ratio, you have to calculate it. I think you know how to calculate the how the cement in 1 cubic meter. One cement can 115 bag can produce the 0.030 I think 0.035 cubic meter for 1 cubic meter. It means 11 bags can produce 1 cubic meter. Here I have to choose cubic meter output, and after we have to add also the aggregate. So I've put the new material on the slab. Can choose sand. Which sand can I take? Let me take these ones. In sand, also we ask you what input, what the quantity have used for the sand used for 1 cubic meter. It will be 0.385 can be produce 1 cubic meter. Then also you can add aggregate. To take this aggregate, and the aggregate 0.77 can be produced 1 cubic meter. And it's okay. You see, also we need the equipment for concrete. Equipment can be concrete mixer. One concrete mixer per hour can produce 6 cubic meter. And we need also the vibrator. Work vibrator. One also can be vibrated for 6 cubic meter. Then let me also add rebbers. The rebber can be take one masonry can produce, or let me take if 6 masonry can help the 60 helpers to produce 150, means one can produce 35 cubic meter. Even you can also add the helper. One helper can also produce 25 per day. Then it's okay. So now, in our concrete, you see, we shall have the cement bag 73 bags of cement, and sand you have 12.2 cubic meter. In the aggregate you have 24, and for this one it will help you to know how many materials I need, how many papers can I use for doing that job of the concrete, or any for areas for excavating, for any others. It will help you to know it and to submit the good report. And if you see the cost per each, you can generate it, you can get it very easy. After, because of the time is gone, after you can make a good report, and you can export to the Excel, or you can make it. You can go to report here, these report tabs, and you see that you can get material list. You see, you can just see the part by location. You can produce these items by labor, then you can export by Excel template, or you can do it by materials. You can sand, you can get the total sand for all. If you do the job, your project on PlanSwift, all cement bags can get the rest of that. If the sand, you can all get the total volume of sand you can need for total project, even for aggregate. And it's like the materials. This is the combination of, for one item, you can get it all by diffusion or by folder. For example, by diffusion. By diffusion, you have the all for material, for labor, for equipment. It's well detailed, and those you don't need it for estimating group, you can go here and remove it. For example, this markup, you can make it unavailable. Colors cannot. You can color can even price per each. Then you have even names you can make it unavailable. Then you will see it's a good view of element. It will be like this element, quantity, unity, cost per each, and price total. You can make it export to the Excel, me waiting for a few seconds. Do you see? You have Excel sheet that you can make. You can make a good Excel. Make it visible, and here you can make it at runs francs, and here can get total, can make total. Here I can make a sum, total sum. It's okay. This can be good presenting your a project you have done, your takeoff for BOQ, and you can report it. You see that it's a good one, which is digital for QS cost estimators, engineers, and so on, and all of you can use it. So you have to use it. Also, you can export by division. This one can export as Excel, and you save it. How to save it? Well, here you want, for example, I can save Nziza. Okay. The 2006. 26. Okay. Hours. But you can make it train. So it needed. It's not working. What? Don't know what. Why is not working? Now you see it. Yes. You see it's dirt. Here I can remove any you need. You can remove it for PlanSwift, or we can remove it on the Excel or on Excel. See, it help you to know the material, the quantity, and the price by division, the labors and equipment. So it's drought. Most of you, if you join, you can get more and more. Thank you. It's great quality today. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yes.
Like, I can show you what I have done before. You may open any job you have done before. This is all I have done in it. Let me open this one. It's that one, but I have do many of things for it. If you see that too, how it's look like, and for reporting also you see it will be or as I have told you. Do you see those are the materials? Those are the laborers, steel fixers, painter, and masoner. And all of those are mason. It looks like this. Thank you.
Sorry, Faustin, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Okay. What about if you had to change the units? What about the units? Do they remain only in dollars? Or what if you want to use local currency for pricing the BOQ?
This price, this $1, it's one of in the on the setting of PlanSwift. But as you see, you can export your job, your data into Excel, and you can apply any currency you need to use it. Do you see? Here, can you see any price, any currency you need? If you export it, you can get it. Okay.
Yes, please. I see it's clear now. Thank you very much.
Okay. Know anyone?
And Foster, Ivis Rutagrama from Kigali, Rwanda. And
Yes.
I would like to ask you a question about how does the software help you to make a quotation or to estimate for the reinforcement concrete slab. You just showed us about the depth of about 15 centimeter, but we know that a slab mostly slabs, the suspended slabs have beams. So how can I estimate the concrete that is going to be pulled over the whole slab of the house if I only take a quotation of 15 centimeter without regarding the depth of the beams? How can I do that?
We have measured for the slab, but also can make it on the beam. I think it's the problem you have asked me. How can I measure or take off the reinforcement of the beam?
Yeah, according to the measures that you have used, you have estimated that the beam is all flat without having the beam. The slab is flat without having the support beams.
No, because
so how?
Let me show you. I think most of you are seeing this our screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
For the beam, we have used the linear volume. Let me just make return just is that. This is the new linear volume. We have to name it as beam concrete. Beam concrete. Then the markup is not needed. Width of the beam, it's 0.2, and the height can be, because of the height, I think you hear me. The height of beam can be 0. Yes, it can be 0.45.
0.335. Yeah.
Yes. Let me
mostly they are 0.35.
If it is 0.45, it means the remaining it's 0.30. The height of the beam.
I understand.
Then we have to select the beam concrete. Let me use this, okay? Then it's okay. You have to make this linear will give us the volume. If you go here, let me just here, because I need to show you it's dirt. Oh, sorry. It's there. Do you see this? I have just measured, but remember, if you don't precise the corner, you have to take it. This beam has 20 width. That's why you see the line width of the beam. Do you see?
Yeah.
You have the beam here. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So Nancy, can you help us so we can close our webinar session? Most of you have to join so that you can get more and more to know how we can make estimation, how to know the quantification by using PlanSwift. And many of you have
hello.
Let me show you something.
I have a question.
Yes, I can get it after show you that things. Many of you have to know, in order to make the estimation, you have to know that if it's like the concrete, what the input and the output. For example, do you see this my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Let me take this concrete for column. For concrete column, we have 8 helpers that can do per hour, can produce 1.4 meter cube, but in 10 per day, they can produce 10 cubic meter. This is not just imagination. You have to consult the foreman and the site managers, engineers to get that information. So don't use the PlanSwift and just pull it without considering or make the analysis for the work can be done. So thank you. You can move on your question.
My question is, most of the time when I use this PlanSwift, I just face problem of counting a steel bar, and when I go to the MP, just calculating the vertical tools and material like pipes, wires. How can I do it with these softwares? Thank you.
Today I don't show about it because I don't have the drawing, but most of the question is for the drawing, because you have to make the MP for this drawing. It's not drawing for MP. Because of many of drawings, the engineers can provide us these drawings and ask us to produce MP based on quantity, but they have to produce the MP drawings that help us to know the navigation of the pipes from drawings, and you must. There are some standards you can know. The pipe can be passed through the height of the wall. Must know the height of the wall, because on drawing you can't make the measure. You can't not measure the height of the wall, but you can tape it. As you see, if I'm doing this line, this linear volume, I can tape only the depth and width. Then the linear total I can measure it. Is that how you can do it? Very simple if you have the drawing.
First thing?
Oui.
Sorry if I interrupted you, but if they have troubles to determine the height of the house or the floor, they can also use a structure drawing which shows the elevation of the house, can also help you to determine the height of the.
Sorry. You know, when we have MEP drawings, it can show you like a switch. As you know, all of us, the switch is at like 1.4 height from down. But only you see is just the number of the switch. Then when you go to calculate those materials, piping and wires, I don't know how to calculate with this software. That is my question.
Yeah, it's for okay. If I may, first day, if I may.
Yeah.
So for calculating such things like how many electric wires that I'm going to need for the project, how many pipes, plumbing pipes that are going to be needed, you can use some projects provides the drawing there is specified drawings for such works. Yeah, so there is an electricity drawing which shows how the piping is going to be done, and so that helps you to know the length and how you can measure the quantity of wires that you are going to need according to how the length of the pipings that are going to be done. The same thing as for the plumbing projects, which are going to be done for our project. You have to be provided with the piping drawing, which shows you how the toilets are going to be scheduled, how the bathroom pipes are going to be scheduled. So from there, you can use the software according to how Faustin has shown us. So by scaling all the pipes according to how the software directs you, you can determine the quantity of pipes or PPL that are going to be needed for the plumbing, and electricity, how to determine the wires that you are going to be needing. Thank you.
Yeah, it's mostly about the problem is the drawing. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So if there is no any other, we can finish.
There's a question in the chat area.
Chat area. Reinforcement concrete slab, quantity estimation.
Faustin,
We did.
you have
Yes.
already answered the question. It was about the beams. How am I going to determine the concrete that is going to be needed for the beams for us a never see suspended slab? And you have answered it. There is no question.
Thank you. There was one who asked me how can get the productivity list. Yeah, I think I was give you the hint. Already formed template. We're using the already formed template at a presentation of the between. But I have shown most of how can you create it. We didn't create all, but we can create all of that for the time of training. But our time is limited. Can't do all.
Yeah, we understand.
Okay, let me just do it very quickly. For enforcement, you can use this area grid tool. This grid tool can help you to know the intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines that the beam, the reinforcement bar can be the mouth of the slab. For example, here we have to name it. Name is reinforcement. Let me just this angle. You have to know, is this angle in degree? Can be this 19. Spacing can be 150. But remember, if it is this unity, is it in meter or in millimeter? Let me see if it's in meter. Have you seen it? Let me see. All right. Let me just do it. If it's not, I will get it. So you have to make takeoff. This is the one for the method can be used for reinforcement. For measuring the reinforcement, it will be here, and make clear this one. This also. I see that the grid line is 0. I think it's not working for what I have. Let me back on the grid tools I've used. This can be 0.150 and this will be 0.150. It's okay. What about it? First, you have to know if those the vertical and horizontal, is it on? Don't get it, but it's and time is limited. But if it's produced, you can get the grid lines, which is the reinforcement bars on horizontal. I didn't. Let me see. It's not working, this one. But another how to create template, but this one, the one you can use so you can get the lines. But you can make template. The template, if you make the template, you have to make the area reinforcement. And in area reinforcement, you have to add, firstly, you must add the vertical line. It's a wrong line. Wrong line, it means many of the plans can be a rectangle or a square, but most of them they have like shape of triangle. So you have to know the wrong side. The wrong side. And you have to add the horizontal sides. Horizontal sides. And you can be an estimating group. That's okay. Horizontal, is it? This is wrong. Also can be. Then after you have to know the bar quantities, the wrong bar quantity. I have to know the wrong bar quantity. Wrong bar quantity. Or it can be in the wrong bar quantity. I think the time is limited. Let me show the one I have created because of the time is here. So
we're running out of time.
Let me just show you for the one I have created for this reinforcement. For example, this is the count volume. This count volume, it will help you for the reinforcement bars for the footing. It also it asks you the wrong side, as I have told you, the short side, the intersection, and cover for both sides, and the diameter for the bars, if 12 or 16 or any. Then the cover sides, both sides, have to multiply by 2. Then the vertical bend and the vertical sides. Then if you go to the advanced, you have that. You have to know there is the sum of the bent. I think you have seen. This sum of the bent is the bent times the sides of the bent. The sum of cover is cover times the sides of cover. And you have the bar quantity. Bar quantity, it's the wrong side divided by the intersection. That's the spacing, so that you can get the number of bar quantity. Even the wrong side, it's the short side divided by the intersection. Then you have to round up because of the number, can be the number. Then after of that, you have to make the wrong bar quantity. You have to make sum of long side plus the vertical bent, then minus the cover. Have to make the subtraction of the cover sum, even for the short. Then after you have the quantity. Quantity, it will be the wrong bar times the wrong bar quantity, the number of that long bar, then plus the short. I think let me make this can be visible. It's wrong bar times wrong bar quantity, have the short bar times short bar quantity, then times the bar weight. Bar weight means if there are 12, I think most of you know how to know the kilograms of the in 1 meter. It's the square meter of the diameter of that bar, then divide by 162. Then after you have to times the takeoff. I think you understand the formula, how to make the template. This one, it can be used so that you can get the number of the kilograms for any slabs or any reinforcement. So I think it's understandable.
Yeah, I think that's it. So I would like, thank you so much. Thank you so much, QS Fauste. This was incredibly insightful. I'm sure everyone had something they added to what they already knew. They got something new they didn't know before. So thank you so much. So on behalf of Nziza Global Training, I would thank each and every one of you for joining us today. I hope this session has added real value to your work and your professional growth. So you can stay connected to us through our social medias, our website for more information. So on the chat place, I have shared our link. I have shared our YouTube link. So this session was recorded. For anyone who would want, you can go and watch the session from there, and you can add a review, you can add a comment on everything you learned, because this is going to be so helpful for us to even plan another session like this. So thank you so much, everyone. Have a lovely evening. God bless you.